After lots of hype, teasers and speculations, OnePlus has finally introduced its flagship OnePlus 6 at an event in London. With the change in time and trend, the company also seemed to have changed its strategy. The 6th generation OnePlus flagship comes with a trending notch that equips a notification LED, front camera, earpiece and sensors, which is one of the most noticeable changes. For the first time, OnePlus has opted for an all-glass build in the mirror black version, which has a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both the front and back of the device. Moreover, there is a slight curve on the back which makes it more comfortable to hold. The OnePlus 6 comes in 3 colors, which is mirror black, midnight black and silk white. The OnePlus 6 measures 7.5 mm in thickness and weighs around 177 grams, which is 15 grams heavier than 5T. The OnePlus 6 sports a 6.28-inch full optic AMOLED 19:9 aspect ratio display with a resolution of 2280 x 1080 pixels and offers an 84% screen-to-body ratio. With the larger display, the ergonomics of the device remains same as the OnePlus 5T, which is a pretty good thing. On the other hand, this device looks taller, which in turn needs two-handed usage all the time if you want to be comfortable. Talking about the placements, the OnePlus 6 has a power button and an alert slider on the right side. If you have noticed, the company has swapped the placement of the alert slider and a SIM slot from right to left and vice versa. On the left side, we have the volume rockers and a dual SIM slot. Up top, we have a secondary noise cancelling microphones, and at the bottom, we have a speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphones, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The front side of the device is dominated by display with a thin chin at the bottom. In order to make more room for the display, the company has opted for an on-screen navigation button. Flipping it back, we got a dual camera setup, dual LED flash, and a fingerprint scanner placed on the glassy back. The shape of the fingerprint scanner has been changed and reduced to a merely rounded rectangle similar to Galaxy S9 devices. In addition to fingerprint scanner that unlocks in under 0.2 seconds, there is a face unlock option allowing the users to unlock their phone simply by looking at the device. As per the company claims, the face unlock feature in the OnePlus uses over 100 identifiers to securely unlock the OnePlus 6. The OnePlus 6 is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset with Adreno 630 as a GPU under the hood. Together, it creates a fast and smooth performance for a seamless experience. The OnePlus 6 comes with a 6GB or 8GB of RAM with a 64GB, 128GB, 256GB UFS 2.1 storage option. Moving on to the photography department, the OnePlus 6 comes equipped with a dual camera setup featuring a 16MP main camera with Sony IMX519 sensor compared to IMX398 on the 5T, but this has the same 20MP secondary camera with Sony IMX376K sensor. Both have aperture value of f1.7 and the camera also supports optical image stabilization. The front camera remains unchanged with a 16MP selfie shooter that has a Sony IMX371 sensor with an aperture value of f2.0. In addition to video recording to up to 4K at 60fps, it also has a super slow motion with 480fps recording in 720p and 240fps in 1080p. The OnePlus 6 is shipped with Android Oreo 8.1 out of the box with Oxygen OS 5.1 on top that brings a lot of new features. The OnePlus 6 is powered by 3300 mAh battery with 5V 4A dash charging technology. The OnePlus 6 will be launching in India tomorrow and will go on sale starting from May 21st exclusively on Amazon India. This is it guys for the first impression of the OnePlus 6. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.